Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan School. In previous class, we have discussed the topic addition and subtraction. Today also we have to continue the same topic, addition and subtraction, concept 14.1. Sorry, 4.1. So, in this concept 4.1, we have completed up to 1 to 14 problems. Now, long answers questions 15th onwards we have to do this. So, see the problem number 15. So, what is the problem number 15? Solve the following. What should be added to these two numbers sum? Next, what should be added? Sin 1 0 0 1 2 8 4 2 1 2 8 4 2. What should be added to this number to get 2 3 7 1 2 9 0 2 9 0. Okay. Next, what should be added? So, suppose what should be 10 is there. What should be added to this number to get 12? Then how we can, what we can do? What should be added to this number? We should get 12. Then we have to do this. 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. So if we add 2 to 10, we will get 12. So that reason, this number, that number, which number is to be added, that number we have to find. So what we have to do? Simply we have to subtract from this number to this number. Suppose this one we have to find. Then what we did? 12 minus 10. The subtraction of these two numbers we did. Why? Because we have to get this number. So that reason, so 1 0 0 1 2 8 4 2 plus what should be added? Suppose this one we have to find, that is equal to 2 3 7 1 2 9 0. So what we have to do? Subtract from this number, subtract this number from that number. So 2 4 7 1 2 9 0 1 0 0 1 2 8 4 2. Okay, this is 10, this is 9, this will become 8. Okay, so 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 0 7, 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 1 1. So 1 2 sorry 2 sorry here 2 3 7 no, so here 2 4 7 written. Okay, just little bit change. This is 2 3 7, here also 2 3 7, then it will become 1 3 7. Observe here, this 2 3 2 3 2 3, no, 3 minus 0 3 only. Okay children, just little bit correction I made, just you have to observe. Okay, then this is the answer. I hope you understood very well. Note down children. Next, 16th one. The B question is there. The B question you can do it. 16th one, solve 4 3 4 3 2 1 1 8 1 plus 3 8 4 8 1 3 2 plus 1 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 0 0 8. So these three we have to add. Sin 4 3 2 1 1 8 1 3 8 4 8 1 3 2. Next 1 1 3 2 0 0 8. 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 8 11. 1 plus 8 9 9 plus 3 12. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 1 plus 8 9 9 plus 2 11. 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 4 7 7 plus 3 10. 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 8 12 12 plus 1 13. 1 plus 4 5 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 1 9. Okay, this is the answer, 16th one. Okay children, so this is up to now long answers questions we have completed. Now application type questions are there from 17th onwards. Now we will do this application questions. Children, note down this one. Next to 17th one. Children, observe here. Amit has 2 apartments in Pune. How many apartments? 2 apartments. Okay. Next, price of the first apartment. See, the price of the first apartment that is equal to 2121 8116. 1 to 10 to 100 1000 10,000. 1 to 10 to 100 1000 10,000 lakh to 10 lakh crore. So 2 crore 21 lakh 81,016. Sorry, 8,116. 2 crore 12 lakh 18,116. Next, price of the second apartment that is equal to 3 crore 8 lakh 17,108. Total price of the both apartments we have. Okay, okay, and the price of the second apartment, this one. What is the total price of the both the apartment? So we have to find total price of both apartments. That is equal to, just we have to add these two cost. 6 plus 8 14. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 10 15, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 1 2, Okay, 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 crore 20 lakh 35,224 is the cost of the both the apartments, apartment 1 and apartment 2. Okay, children, this is the 17th one solution. Just only price of the first apartment and the price of the second apartment, both we have to add, then we will get the total cost of the both apartments. Okay, children, this is very easy sum. Just we have to add both the costs. Okay, note down. Next to 18th one, a factory manufactures 1 crore 12 lakh 31,118 nuts and 1 crore 20 lakh 81,000 12 lakh 8,108 bolts in a year. Okay, then how many more nuts than bolts does it manufacture? So number of nuts manufactured. Okay, so what we have to find? The total factory manufactured. Okay, how much manufactured? Okay, number of nuts number of nuts bolts. Okay, nuts manufactured so that is equal to 1 crore 12 lakh 13,118 nuts. Number of bolts, how many manufactured? So this is equal to 12 lakh 8,108. Okay, therefore how many more? Suppose bolts, suppose number of bolts 10, number of nuts 15, then how many more? What we have to do? Just 5 more. How we can say this 5 more? Just we have to subtract 15 minus 10, that is equal to 5. 5 nuts, 5 more than bolts. So in this way, what we have to do? We have to subtract from bigger number to smaller. This is larger number, this smaller number. So we have to subtract this number from this first larger number. Okay, so what we have to do? Subtraction we have to do this. Okay, next. So therefore number of nuts minus number of bolts. Number of nuts minus number of bolts, that is equal to, we have to subtract 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, Next, this is 13 minus 8, 5, 0. Okay, 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So, one crore 5,010. Okay. So, therefore, the factory manufactures 1 crore 5,010 nuts manufactured more. Okay, children. So, this is the 18th one solution. Okay, once I will show this. Just see how to write this working. Therefore, the factory manufactures 1 crore 5,010 more nuts than bolts in this year. Okay. Next to 19th one. Children, observe this question. The population of country A is 12 crore 47 lakh 55,990. And the population of country B is 10 crore 56 lakh 78,880. Now, by what number is the population of B less than that of A? Write the difference. We have to find the difference. So, what we have to do? Just we have to subtract from population of country A to population of country B. Okay, children, this I will explain on blackboard. The population of country A minus population of country B we have to do. So, population of country A minus population of country B. See, population of country A 12 crore 47 lakh 55,990. Population of country B 10 crore 56 lakh 78,880. 880. So population of country A minus population of country B. Population of country A minus population of country B, that is equal to, we have to subtract. Okay, zero, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1. Okay, next 15 minus 8 17. Next, okay, 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, 6 minus 6 0. Okay, next 14 minus 5 9, 11 minus 10 1, 190. Okay, so 1,90,77,110 is the difference. Population of country A minus population of country B, that is 1,90,77,110 is the difference. Okay children, this is therefore the population of country B is less by 1,90,77,110. That conclusion we have to write. Okay children, this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Okay, next I will give the homework now. Children, last conclusion, this one you have to write. Therefore, the population of country B is less by 1,90,77,110. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. In next class we will discuss the 28th problem onwards. Okay, next so concept homework. Concept 4.1, problem number 15. So this is problem number 19. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5 sums. These 5 sums you have to do practice. Okay. Children, watch the video concentrately and practice well. I hope it's very clear. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.